Ever pondered the process of securing an Iran visa online? It's simpler than you might think, especially when you enlist the help of an experienced agency like Iransafar. First, you'll need to navigate your way to Iransafar's website. The address is simple: www.iransafar.co. Once you're there, you're only a few clicks away from submitting your visa application. Search for the visa application link, which is www.iransafar.co/visa. The application process itself is designed with ease in mind. Within a mere 2 minutes, you'll have completed your application form. Yes, you heard it right, just 2 minutes. Efficiency is key when you're planning your travels, after all. But the process doesn't end there. After submitting your application, you'll need to sit tight for a short while. In about 3 to 5 days, you can expect to receive your visa approval. This approval, also known as the Visa Grant Notice, is your ticket to turning your travel dreams into reality. Now, you might be wondering, how does this Visa Grant Notice become an actual visa? Well, it's quite simple. Upon your arrival at the entry airport or at the Iranian consulates, your Visa Grant Notice will be transformed into your official visa. And don't worry about any stamps on your passport, as your visa will be printed on a piece of paper. Iransafar doesn't stop at visa services. They're a comprehensive travel agency offering a multitude of services to enhance your journey. From tour arrangements and hotel bookings to travel insurance and flight bookings within Iran, they've got you covered. So the process of getting an Iran visa online is not as daunting as it might seem. With the help of Iransafar, you can navigate the process with ease and focus more on the exciting adventure that awaits you in Iran. Now, isn't that a relief? Remember, adventure is just a click away with Iransafar. Happy travels!